Gator Pit, Texas custom barbecue pits. Here we have a custom mobile being fabricated in our shop right now. We have a 24-inch diameter charcoal wood-fired grill, storage area, tandem 3500 axles, electric brakes and springs for a nice smooth tow down the highway. Passenger storage area. You see your door counterweights on the two-door chamber. 24-inch diameter up there. Solid plate front shelf. Check out this firebox. Slide air intake vents. Half-inch thick steel. It's going to have gas assist. That's the line coming in. Half-inch pipe gas lines, protective gas pipe covers. Upper and lower slide racks are being installed in here. Let me close this door up and show you this. One hand on this big old door. Here's your counterweight. We'll close this one, you can see it better. There you go. Real steel, man. Solid steel, guys. 1/4-inch thick steel. Big birdhouse stack. Gator signature stacks. Dual 160K BTU burners. Boiling and frying foods. Control valves. Work independently. Over here, like what's that hole over there? We're actually putting a flat top or a griddle right there. That flat top is 1/2-inch thick steel. That's it sitting right there. Those are the burners that are covers for the burners we're going to install in here. And this is going to be your tank holder here. You got your bulldog coupler, steel wheel, removable from the jack, top line jack. And that is your flat top griddle. It's upside down, guys. It's going to actually rest on these pegs that you see right here. But that is your griddle. It is 1/2-inch thick steel. And you have your slides on your charcoal grill. We just made a 360 around this trailer over here. Beautiful pit. It's going to be a fine pit when it's all said and done and painted. It is going to Hawaii. Ritch Robin, Gator Pit of Texas custom barbecue pits. Made in the USA. We are in Texas. See ya.